Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply slide to the right, to the pro. And this mode gives us the possibility to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful, for example, when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and with this button from the left. This is the white balance, so here we can control the temperature of our picture, and as you can see we can pick the tungsten light, then the daylight, white fluorescent light and the cloudy light. Here we have also access to this button, which is the last one, and this gives us access to this slider. So here we can pick the temperature manually in Kelvin degrees, so by going to the left we can make our picture more cold, and by going to the right we can make it just more warm. So this is how it works here, and of course to go back to the auto settings we just simply tap on this again twice and pick the auto function here at the beginning. So this is how it works. And let's move to the next one button here. This is the focusing. So here we can change the autofocus to the manual focus, and as you can see here we have this slider and we can focus like that. And here we have also access to the extra button which appears here. So this is the focus picking, and we can turn it on and turn it off by just tapping on this where we are on this function. And as you can see it gives us this red signs. So this is helpful because this is the area with the focusings, and we can just adjust it better by using this. So for now I'm going to turn it off, and let's move to the next one button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change the speed of our picture and of taking our picture, and we can pick from 1 and 1/1000 of seconds, which is very short, to the 32 seconds, which is very long. So this gives possibilities to a lot of experiments here. And let's move to the last one button here. This is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see we can pick from 100 to the 3 and 2000 of it. So this is also the pretty wide spectrum here, and this is how it works. And now let's go to this settings bar. Lots of these settings are in the standard photo mode, but one of these here is the mattering. This is extra one in the pro mode. We can pick center weighted mattering, frame average mattering, and also the spot mattering. So this is how it works here. And for now let me take a picture. And let's go to the preview. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.